welcome back to my channel Kunji's Kunju. Today I'm here with another craft video. So today I'll be doing the craft using a flower seeds. Can you guess which flower it is? Can you? It's sunflower seeds. So we have these sunflower seeds here. So I'm not using these sunflower seeds. Instead I'll be using its shells, or you can actually call it pods. So we can eat the seed and the leftover ones are the shells. So I'll be using that to do today's craft. Aren't you all excited to see what I'm going to make with it? So let's get into the video. Actually going to do a bottle art with the sunflower shells. So first I had to paint the bottle. So for that I'm using a sponge, and I'll be painting it in black color. So I'll be using the sponge to apply the paint. And I'm using black color because I think it will really match well with the craft work I'll make using the sunflower shells. So now I'm applying paint. So this process is very easy as we are using the sponge. So it doesn't take much of our time. Using sponge you can finish painting this bottle very easily and fast. I have kept the bottle to dry and I'm going to make flowers using these sunflower shells. So for that I have these circle which I have cut out from cardboard, and now I'm going to start making the flowers using the sunflower shells. So I'm starting to stake to make it look like a flower. So this sunflower shells you are using it to make the flowers, and it will look very beautiful in the end. So we are going to make a flower using this sunflower shells. So that looks really cool, right? Now I'm sticking the last row of the sunflower shells. You have to do at least 3 rows of the sunflower shells, then only it will look like a sunflower. Now I have finished making 2 sunflowers using the sunflower shells, and it looks so beautiful. Now for the middle part I'm going to use dried and use tea powder for it. So it will be the middle part of the sunflower. So now I'm going to apply glue over here, and then I will apply the used tea powder. So now I'm applying the tea powder. I finished sticking the dried tea powder on this. So now I'm going to start painting the petals of this sunflower. So for that I'm using yellow and pearl yellow and yellow ochre. So first I'm going to start painting using pearl yellow. So now I am painting pearl yellow on the sunflower. I'll also do the same on the other sunflower, and then I'll give a shade of yellow ochre. I'm going to start painting shades of yellow ochre on the sunflower. So now I'm doing it only in some parts, so it looks very beautiful with the pearl yellow. Now in the same way I will do to the other sunflower also. Now I am giving this yellow ochre color as a border. So now this combination looks very good, the pearl yellow and the yellow ochre. The flowers are, I have finished painting the flowers. It looks so good. It really looks like the real sunflowers itself. So now I'm going to make leaf. For that I need this cardboard cutout which looks like a leaf, and this is a plastic bottles piece. I'm going to put this leaf over here, and I'm going to trace it, then I can cut it out later. So now I'm tracing it using a black sketch. So now I'm cutting the leaf from this plastic bottle. Now I've given the real shaping by these parts of the leaf. Now I'm going to start painting the leaf in green color, and I'll give the veins in yellow ochre. So now I'm painting the leaf in green color. So now I'm giving a shade of yellow ochre on this leaf. So now I'll start drawing the veins using the yellow ochre. The bottle has dried and now I'm going to start sticking the sunflower on the bottle. So now I'm applying glue and I'm going to stick it. Stick this flower below the first flower. This is the ring which you see on the neck of the bottle. So I'll be using it as a stem for the sunflowers. So for that I'm going to cut this ring. And now I can use it as a stem for these sunflowers. I'll stick the stem of the sunflower using glue. So now I'm sticking the stem. I will cut the rest. Now I have finished sticking the stem for the first flower. Now I'm going to stick it for the second one. So now I'm sticking the stem. And now I'm going to cut the rest. I have finished sticking the stem, and don't you think it looks more realistic with this sunflower and the stem together? So I have finished painting the leaf. I have finished, but the back side I felt it looked more beautiful than the front side, so I decided that I'll stick this part. So now I'm going to stick this leaf with glue gun near the stem. So now I'm sticking the leaf. So now itself it has got a very good look, and these parts, it looks like a fence. So I'm going to highlight it using golden color. I'm using my finger to highlight it so that it looks even more better, because it will look very good with this highlighting also. So now you can see it's getting a very good look with this highlighting. Don't you think these flowers and the fence looks very beautiful together? Now itself it looks really beautiful, right? But I felt this part it was really plain, so I'm going to highlight that also using some golden color. So as I have started highlighting, I feel that it will not make this bottle art really plain. The bottle art is ready and it looks so awesome. Can you believe that I made this all using leftovers like the sunflower shells? So you can try this at home and it will be very beautiful, and it is also very easy to make. If you like this video, don't forget to try it at home. Subscribe, like, share and comment. And also I'll be back with another amazing craft videos. Until then, bye bye.